Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Infiniti G37 key fob. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Next, locate the small button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency key. This key needs to be removed before you can access the battery compartment. Now that the emergency key is out, look for a small notch or slot where the emergency key was. Insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. The two sections should separate with minimal effort. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round CR2032 battery. Take note of which side is facing up, usually the positive side with the plus symbol. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or a fingernail. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the correct direction, just as the old one was. To reassemble your key fob, simply align the two halves of the casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to reinsert your emergency key. Finally, test your newly reassembled key fob to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, work correctly with your vehicle. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.